Okay, like I said in the first video, this is gonna be on the job training. Okay, so leave where I'm taking you to for me. Just stay with me, then you'll be able to get to a meaningful end. Okay, like I said also that this is not about, the first video was not about the product or services. You will get that when you get the PDF. The product and services that you can use, that you can implement with this method, in order for you to be able to, you know, make money. Okay, so that is my own thing, but for you, you just understand the process or the method for you to accomplish the goals. Okay, also this method is to make you understand how you can go online, find a certain loophole and dominate on this loophole for your sources. First of all, there's going to be a lot of sideways. Okay, so this is a bonus pack for you. Okay, first, when you buy my PDF file, okay, you can go as well and do the video like I do. Okay, and sell this PDF also, but don't sell it less. That will make me angry. Sell it at the same price that I sell it. Okay, imagine you buy a product for $100 and you are selling it yourself for at the same time of $100. So that's the first way to make money with these strategies. Okay, another one to make money is that when I show you the 15 list of products that we work for this services that we work for this process, then you will be able to implement those as well and make a lot of money doing all that. But that will require you to keep sending emails and doing other things, so before you can actually make your money. But I bet you for every 15 letter that you send out, or every 15 letter that you send to sort for a customer, you're probably going to get like this 5-6. So look at 5-6, that's about $600. So you're going to be making a lot. And these are the things that people don't want to tell you. They don't want to tell you things that, you know, things like that, in order for you not to be able to destroy their business. But this business is big, it's large enough. Products that you and the services that you're looking for is big and large enough. But the only good thing is that you need to be able to understand the act of product research. If you don't know anything about product research, you have problems, because you might be thinking that this method, this strategy, this process is actually meant for every product, and you implement it in some certain area. For like, for example, the dentist that I show as an example for you, if you try it, you're not going to get any result because of what? There's a reason why, but I cannot tell you the reason why unless you get the PDF, because the PDF is actually enough pack for you to make money, to achieve whatever goals you're looking for. Is already made a PDF for you that you can as well market yourself. You can do videos on and achieve a good income for yourself as far as passive income is concerned. Okay, you're making everything auto, you know. And also I want to make you understand that you don't need a website. Okay, but if you need a website, you can go to my website and, you know, and ask for a business website, which might be a cheaper one for you. So if you buy this product from me, I can build you a business website that is as less as $70. Give you like 30% off your rate. Okay, so if that is what you want, or you don't want to buy from me, you just want to go ahead and go to some place where you can sort, I can actually tell you places where you can go and buy cheaper website for yourself to implement this. But the fact that you need a website is a lie. You don't need a website. The two things that you need is just a payment page, and you can just go ahead and go get yourself a Stripe account and implement with the Pay Now Plus page. The links is going to be below. You can check it. If you need a video regarding that, the links for the videos and everything how to do that, which is less than 5 minutes, and you already have a payment page. So where you're supposed to put add a website on these notes that you have to send to your customer over here that you're seeing, all you gotta do is to just put your link there. So when the customer click it, what they're gonna go to is to go straight to your payment page, and they can make a payment there. You know, if you need a help with that, there's a link below for videos. There's a link below. Everything is packed on the PDF file, so you don't have issues with that. And let's see another way that you can make money from this from this is when I show you all the niche, the 15 niche that services that you can actually implement this process with, and you will make a lot of money with. Believe me, as far as services is concerned, believe me, they have more than 500 to 200 services that you can see. But I tell you, it's only about 60% of them or 45% of them that this process will work for. So if you keep jumping around and running around and trying to look for the what's called the product or the services yourself, that's your problem. But if you really want to start making money right away, you don't have no issue. All you got to do is follow what the PDF shows you, how to implement your your Stripe account, how to implement with how to implement with a pay now page, so that you can go ahead and be able to charge your customer for the money that you asking for. So for three things that I want you to put in your mind is that if this process won't work, I will not teach you. Okay, I will not teach you at all. I'm not going to give you anything that don't have no values, because I am not trying to make if I give you the product, the services that you need to implement it for free, then how much I need for the work that I've been doing, on this, and showing you my secret as well, which you can go ahead and make things out for and make money from. So that is not the point at all. So for you to make money, you have to invest money, and you have to understand that. Other ways you can make money is to get affiliating marketing, affiliating links from people like what's it called, like Stripe. And when you're selling your PDF file as well, as much as you're getting your customer and getting your money in, and got files to show proofs, all you got to do is to go ahead and get an affiliated link, so that when people come that don't have a website, they can as well understand how they can implement Stripe. You can take my video, you can add the video to it that will show them how to implement Stripe with pay now buttons, so that they can easily get a pay page which they can easily implement and use for their for selling their services, instead of them waiting to have a website before they start implementing this process. And if you have a website and you understand what I'm trying to say, and you need help with that, I can as well give that for you for free, as long as you have a proof that you did buy my PDF. Okay, so let's go to, without further ado, let's talk about disclaimer. Alright, this second one that I'm trying to show you to is not to introduce a product to you, or introduce a what's it called, a services to you that you can implement this process on. Okay, the first process was about email, how you can use the email to look for a certain customer, and this second one is going to be on about the phone. The same process that you use to do the first process, write a note, write a letter, that's what you're going to do. But this is going to be done by doing it on your phone. Okay, let's say you go to Google and you look for a certain niche. Okay, let's say let's look for a niche that we can use. Coming through here, let's say niche right here. Let's say you okay, so like I was saying, there is a lot of money you can make when you start to see the services that we're talking about. There's a lot of money you can make. So let's say you're going online and you look for, let's say, plumbing in Atlanta, Georgia. That's what you look for. You can see the same thing that you did, you can also do it over here, because the owner of this does have a website, but does not have, does not own his website. So this is another one that you can send an email to. Just find a similar one that's done its own, and you do it just the way we did the first one in the first video. Okay, let's take another the same niche and look at the different thing entirely. Let's look at this. For this one that we're looking at, let's look at these ones. See what it is. Okay, for this one that we're looking at now, it does have he has no website to itself. You see what I'm saying? There's no website here. So that is another one that you can take advantage of. Okay, this person is listed on Google. What do you do with this? You don't know how to reach this person, because if you go down with this, like this, the person does not have an email, nothing. Okay, there's nothing that you can do. But what do you have here? What can you use here to your advantage? If you go up here again, back, you will see that the person have a phone on this Google. So what do? The same process that you do, but you're gonna have to do it on the phone this time around. Okay, you copy this number or you call this number, whichever one you think you're confident to do. You copy this number, you put it on your phone, you copy the first aspect of why you think you want to help him. This one telling you, I saw you on so. I have a PDF to that effect as well that will show you how to start your email and how to end the email. So you will be sending this email to this person on the phone, or a text message to this person on the phone, telling him that you see him misleading on the Google. The only way you can get customer and get a lot of calls is because from Google is when he has a website on his Google listing on Google search engine. Introduce yourself, tell him that you are into search engine optimization specialist as far as you are concerned. Then you sell this product to him. Don't sell this product for cheap for him. Try to sell this product as much as you can. Okay, you can sell it $200, $400, $500. That does not mean that it will work for this niche. Believe me, in my work, it might not work, but I'm not guaranteeing you that it will work. But I have a niche that it will work for. So, how do you go about building a website for someone that you did not have experience of building a website? That is what I said. Building, outsourcing with specification. You will outsource these services with specification. If you go to Fiverr, if you go to this website called Fiverr, this certain website is totally for outsourcing. Okay, when you go to this website, you can see a website as cheap as $10, $15, $20. So let's say you charge the customer $100, you can outsource this to somebody that you're sure that you know what he's doing for $100. Why do you use Fiverr to outsource? Is because this is global. Okay, the value for money in India is quite different from the value of money in America. $1 might be $1 million in India. So the same people, the same thing, the same way, the same process, but a better way. Okay, so instead of you paying somebody in America that will charge you $400 or $200 or $300 or $500 or $1,000, $200 for a website, you can as well, because these people don't have this knowledge that you have. They don't have this exposure like you have, and they say knowledge is power. So since you know where to outsource, services like this website for cheap, you just go there, outsource for it. So the link is going to be in the PDF as well. So when you go there, you find out that all these things that you're looking for, you can as well get them for as cheap as you can never imagine, because this is global. Okay, currency are different. So the American dollar is high, European dollar is higher than American dollar. So, European pound is higher than American dollar. Dollar is higher than other dollar in the world. So if you think about that, you know that the value of $10 in India is a big money. Okay, so the job that will pay you the $10 in America will pay you $1 in India. So that's the two different things. So when you go to Fiverr.com, you can as well see the list of services and where you can outsource service from. So when you outsource service from them, when you look for, let me just cancel this.